Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Sameed Ahmad Bhatt, and today I have the second session of interview with an entrepreneur. So, this entrepreneur belongs to a family business background. He has pursued his family business, he has continued with his family business after his studies. His name is Fahad Malik Bhatt. He is co owner of Supermaster Plastic Industries, a plastic industry based in Gujranwala with its operations going pan Pakistan. So we'll be having a chit chat with him. So Fahad, how are you?
Alhamdulillah.
So Fahad, give a brief introduction of your business firstly.
We deal in plastic molded furnitures. We have six molding machines. Through
Right.
that, we are manufacturer of uh, plastic chairs and tables, and we deliver this all across the Pakistan.
So you're dealing only in plastic furniture or other things as well, like washing machines or other plastic like automotive as well.
No, currently we are dealing in plastic furniture. Further on in future, inshallah, we are planning also for that.
So kindly make a family tree, Fahad. Like how did this business start? Whose plan was it? And were your father or other uncles were they what were they doing before this business?
So basically, our business, we were not in business recently. We were doing back in 20 to 25 years. We are basically doing a custom clearing. You can say that we
So your father was in custom clearing business, services business.
yes, we were giving services to people, and in return, we take commission from them.
So how did this business start? Why did you choose this
Uh,
business?
we choose this business because this is a manufacturing unit, and through a manufacturer, you can get a lot of links in the society and the city. You can uh, get a lot, and through this, I also think that this is also a way that you can give people. Uh,
You can get more
People,
supply when you are
yes, yes,
manufacturing, when you have a manufacturing
yes,
unit.
yes.
So how many years have you been in this business?
We have been in this business for the last 4 years.
So how is it going? Is it growing or not?
Is it going well? But this pandemic has ups and downs. So inshallah, hope so that it will inshallah be better.
So have you recovered from the pandemic after that? Like, is the business growing now, or is it still on the downside?
Yes, it's mashallah growing, but there's also a lockdown, so it's a bit down. So hopefully, inshallah, in 2 to 3 months, it'll be fine, inshallah.
So what difference have you made in the business? Like, what are the different strategies that you have applied that your father wasn't looking towards earlier?
Uh, I thought that were doing manually things, but you can see that the world, everything people is in computer. So I am looking upon that everything we should do is systematic. That everything should be in system, and we can through get check of balance of all the things.
So what function do you perform in the factory? Like, are you seeing over the manufacturing side, or you are dealing with sales people more?
Base I am more towards the manufacturing sales, sales, and the other thing father is looking upon them.
All right. So, like you have introduced the software as well, you are doing work on the software more. Your father was manually maintaining the ledgers, but you are
Yeah.
conversant with, you're more conversant with the software.
Yes. Yes.
So have you decided to launch a website or go online with this or not?
Yes, we are deciding that to also launch on website that just like other big companies like Boss, that they have a beautiful design website, and we can find uh, everything on that, what prices they are selling, and each and everything. So hopefully we will inshallah introduce our website soon.
All right. Will you create the website yourself or hire a web developer for that?
Um, we will hire a web design.
All right. So how many articles do you have right now? Like how many chairs, how many models of chairs and how many models of tables are there right now?
We have, I guess, about 50 plus items in plastic
That includes
chairs
more
and
chairs, baby chairs, baby
chairs.
tables.
Yes, all the items.
All right. So, uh, what leadership problems occurred and how did you manage the succession? Like, did your father give the business to you happily, or was he worried and all that? Did
Leadership
he trust
problems in.
you in the leadership or not?
Yes, he trusted me. So basically, the problems that occurred in this manufacturing unit is that you have to control your labor because you earn through them. So it is also a very big role that we should keep a check balance of each and them, what is coming and what is going out and each and everything.
So, how do you deal with employees? Like, this is a labor intensive industry. You have a lot of labor. There
Yes,
are labor issues. How do you manage that?
we solve them.
How do you keep your
So,
employees happy? By paying them more,
uh,
or giving them intrinsic motivation, like uh,
we give them intrinsic motivation just like that. You people uh, give production to us like 300 is average to you give people give us production of 350 and you we will give you 500 as a benefit. So everyone
so
likes
that is for the production team, and for the sales team, what is the incentive?
for the sales team we give
Performance
incentives
based or performance?
performance based, and we give them targets, and if they achieve their targets, so we give them benefits on them.
It is a fixed percentage, or like if they achieve more than that, then the percentage increases.
If they achieve more than that their target, the percentage increases.
All right. So that is how you keep your employees happy. We have
Yes.
got this. So, what are your future plans now for the business?
Future plans, inshallah, we are looking upon manufacturing of washing machine and cooler.
And in
We
sales,
are
will you open outlets or will you reach the retailers through sales team?
we will inshallah reach retailers through sale team, because we can use these salesmen and the people who are uh, buying items from other people who are or dealer, we can also catch them and we can sell our new
Like
products to them.
citizen does not have a sale team. They open outlets. So
Yes,
why does Supermaster not open outlets in every city?
because Citizen is a very uh, that we can say that it has become now a brand. So I think they don't uh, have to have a sale team. If they can open their outlet, they can also earn through them because they have now become a brand in the market.
So their brand equity is more, so that is why they can afford to open outlets in every city.
Yes,
So how
yes.
many outlets does Supermaster have currently?
Recently, now we have only one outlet, and but inshallah we are looking upon
That's
other
in
cities.
Gujranwala, right?
That's in Gujranwala, yes.
So, How was your family support when you started this? When you came to the
Family,
business?
yes, family supported me a lot, and they give me courage that you can do this. And Alhamdulillah, with their support, it's going well.
So how did they only provide you the funds, or had given you moral support as well?
Yes, they have also given me moral support
And
because
and the financial support, how did they support you financially?
financially, you can say that this is a family business, so I didn't need that financial support because I am not alone. I am basically a partner in the business,
All right.
so that was not that
So you did
helpful.
not require additional funds because you're not
No,
going
no.
into a new venture.
Yes.
So how do you deal with disagreements in the family? Like if how many partners are you in this business?
We are four partners in the
Yeah.
business.
All right. If there is disagreement between the partners, how do you solve that?
Through mutual understanding between each other, through a meeting we can solve the problem. That's not a big issue.
All right. And if it's the disagreements between you and the employees with the sales team, especially the targets, if there's a disagreement in that, how do you solve that?
We also solve that through meetings. We can all.
So do you agree to that? Agree to the terms of the employees, or do they agree to your terms?
This is a good question. So basically, this is that there are some things that employees say that like our sale team, that this is the rate of the market of this particular product. We cannot go beyond that rate, so we should stick to the market at what is the rate in market. So these are the things we look upon them, and some things that we also want that the sale should be this one. So on that we will give you the benefit.
Mostly you have disagreements on rates, or you have disagreements on target, like how much recovery should be there,
Yes, we have disagreements on targets, not on the rates.
not on the rates. Like,
Yes.
because you know that the rates are standard. You have to follow the
Yes.
market in that.
Yes.
You cannot give
We
more than the
cannot
market.
go we cannot go blind that this is our rate. We are not looking at what others are selling. So this will be a minus point for us if we do that.
All right. So, what is your message for the family business entrepreneurs? What should they do?
Uh, my message to the other business entrepreneurs that stay calm and be be courageous about your work and be hardworking, and inshallah you will succeed what you wish for.
And any final word for the for our viewers, like if they want to do some new venture, what should they do?
Firstly, they should set a goal of them, what they want to become and what they want to achieve in life. You should have a particular goal in your life, what you want to achieve. They should work hard on them, on that thing, and inshallah they will be successful.
So, with this, I conclude my interview, and it was very nice meeting you. And we gained a lot of information about entrepreneurship and how to run family business. So, with this, Fahad, I thank you, and with this, I sign off.
Welcome.
And assalamu alaikum, and thank you.
Wa alaikum salam.